Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're joined with Andrew, the founder and CEO of Gaybnb. Andrew, it's really great to have you here today and such great timing given that it's Pride Month this month. So can you start by telling our audience a little bit about Gay Room Rentals or Gaybnb?
Yeah, so what Gay Room Rentals is a booking platform that anybody who's looking for a long-term renter, they can upload their property or they can add their own profile if they're looking for a property. Whereas Gaybnb is a travel platform. So, with the pandemic and the way we're going at the moment, that's bottomed right out. But it's just for any hosts that have a spare room or any LGBTQ travelers looking for a holiday, that's where they go.
What a unique service and such a great initiative to support our LGBTQ plus community. So thank you so much for creating this amazing business. Andrew, where did the idea come from?
Well, with the Gaybnb, a few years ago, I was reading some articles about some LGBTQ travelers that were staying in some home shares and the struggles they were having when they were going to these home shares, not feeling comfortable, being asked they have to sleep in separate rooms. So I thought to myself, well, why don't I just start a simple platform, just see how that goes. And it's just grown to where it's grown today, which has been amazing.
That's such an incredible story and actually really awful that that does still happen in this day and age. So I can see why your business is so important and it helps so many people to find that safe space, which is really nice.
That's right. And with the Gay Room Rentals, that's always been like a passion of mine to develop another platform for any LGBTQ people out there that are struggling to find a home or discrimination when they're going for a rental property, that they can now go onto this platform and know that they will be accepted when they are looking for a safe place to stay.
That's amazing. I mean, what is it that you guys do on the cloud and how quickly were you able to get up and running on your AWS environment?
So what we do on the cloud is we have 4 instances on the cloud plus a control panel on the cloud. Our developer, he wasn't very switched on with how to, set it all up. So we were able to use the IQ system on the AWS system, which my developer found very helpful, very useful. He was able to get onto the support team. They would just walk him through what needed to be done, how to do it. And it was a very quick and easy service.
That's awesome. I mean, I think that I heard that you guys had a fairly quick turnaround. So that's really great to hear.
Yeah, that's correct. Yes. And also with the migration, we migrated from another service provider across to AWS, and that was just seamless. And it was an all overnight process that was handled by AWS.
That's amazing. So Andrew, talk us through your experience with AWS IQ. You mentioned it previously. How important has this been for the success of your business so far?
Well, that is a godsend to us having that IQ on there. As you know, there's other platforms out there where you can upload, put jobs and get other developers and systems engineers that do quote for your work. But going to the IQ, that we've found that every time we go to IQ, you get 100% job done right the first time.
That's awesome. I mean, 24/7 access is really incredible. And it's very useful to minimize that downside, which is so important as well.
That's correct.
So Andrew, what would you expect? What can we expect to see from the Gaybnb platform in the next kind of 6 to 12 months?
Yes, well, with the Gaybnb platform and the pandemic and the slowdown, we've used that to our advantage. We're now working with hotel beds on the platform. So we're doing an integration with the hotel beds, and that will give us extra 185,000 beds to be placed on the platform. So it's not just going to be B&Bs anymore. It's going to be hotels, resorts across the globe. So it's very exciting.
What an incredible initiative. I mean, I, for one, did not know that this existed. So thank you so much for creating this awareness. And I really hope our audience utilize the platform and are supportive. So thank you so much, Andrew, for coming on the show. And I'm really looking forward to watching your journey going forward.
Not a problem. Thank you for your time. Thank you for having me.
Thanks, Andrew.
Bye.
Bye.